Then you don't say that some people they complain. This country, different things. Young six, I will tell the column. That boy say you buy drink with 3.9 million. I got the ask question, young six. I don't know him again. Because there's some kind of money we go short. Because after of sport we talk that in now, people just trade 3.9 million. I don't get it. If you don't use that money buy each track. Tell us that I've been talking. I mean talking, me the way that I carry things, carry what you want carry. I know the fear. And they call people who are feel beat. I know they talk about myself. Young sister, person said they set our two, I go beat her close high. Now my friend, then I go settle. So when I was a big carry, always a big edit something when I know they put from the starting come. When I carry the hand, put carry up. My name I borrow. I know the fear. I go blow it high. Young sister, I joke at them. Before the management go take a personal. Why you go sit down bend leg like say, young sister, you know brother? You won't fight for her. I be a coco pikino. But coco now they take blow, take you put it. But blow meat off your teeth. You go for say, oh boy, you don't find her. You don't see your teeth. Almost streets for life, I tell you. Other people sing words, they ban the song. After song don't penetrate. Song don't be everywhere. They ban song. How on a bad thing? Song don't. Another time go call on the ban show. And Nigerians say, the course come in and come, everybody go rock up to her. Like some they divorce Nigeria. Then when you talk from there, go say, I'm not impressed. I don't come in the office say you not impressed me before. It's the same thing. Because one of the bad things when they call you by this time, you say, I don't know whether they call me, you can't share the grace. Most times when you complain, they say, don't worry, no say, when I be the strong guys, you will raise it. Am I a bricklayer? So right now, I can't sing, Kenny Black don't sing. You know, so this country, now musician, the first blow, later I can't turn upcoming. No, you can confirm from when they go, I'm not telling you. The band, when you say don't popular, the band answer different name. I'm the band, skip band, capella. Now, everybody go the banjo. We don't know him again. Nigeria, see guys, and we can distract people. You know, sometimes you might concentrate on the bigger things. You don't know that the small thing will fuck you up. Buhari's wife was concentrating on the hyenas and the jackals. You don't know that rats will give your husband quick notice. Buhari didn't come back to Nigeria because he wanted to come back. He came back to sleep. There was a night vigil that night. Say, me go back. And then anything we go talk now, you know, say these days, Brussels, why we know they talk, you will come up for media. They'll say now we talk. Meanwhile, when we talk, they laugh. Then when the problem come out, so I said it, this comedians, they talk near. Talk near. I said it, I fear nobody. Desani is a thief. Open your mouth, Desani thief. I don't the crowd joke for the past 12 years. I never even make the title. Then when somebody if you won't complain, they'll say you don't have respect for elder. Elder waiting elderly thief, not the elderly cause for cause. Sometimes I don't even know what they even think when they go announce some of those things. What do they even take Nigerians for? Because I know say that they actually hold meeting, get tea break, come back to the meeting, arrive at a conclusion for Lai Mohammed to come national TV for announce Buhari is in London but he's taking Nigerian drugs. Oh God, you understand what's going on. At that Lai Mohammed, I don't give up on her. Small opportunity to promote our jollof rice, it mess us up. Since that day, I know the answer that guy. Because the fears are now who get a dick icon, you say na Hong Kong. If you walk like that, I'm not begging you. Everybody know me now, so I not tell them. Me? I've been in this business 12 years. How many years done in your office? And no, because some of these boys, once they don't get one small work, graduate, serve, I don't even know who they serve. 3 years. They call invite you for a meeting. One idiot will never guess. You know, so in Nigeria, where you do business successfully 3 years, they come print card to advise people how to have a successful business. Meanwhile, in audition, you see them. This country, everybody wants if they suffer, if they suffer, let it go round. Nobody must enjoy. That's why the area where they stay, once never take light, what's the first come your mind and to check around everybody. As never take light, all you go to go window. Thank God, everywhere. Nobody, because Nigerians are our own security now. This is the only country. Once we enter November 30th, everybody, they suspect everybody. Once you stand bus stop 10 minutes, somebody stand near you. You're not going to know where you go outside. My brother, where you go? The guy goes so really go outside, their boss no day. Recently, I traveled with small doctor. Myself, small doctor, Aki Apopo. So we reach immigration. Immigration begin to tell us, Capella, how far? I pass. Where are they go? I say London. Aki Apopo, where are they go? They say London. Now I reach small doctor. As we move, 10 minutes later, I realized a small doctor know that our back. As I turned, they search him back. Then I go meet the immigration. I said, why not embarrass this guy? I don't know him. Then the guy said, hey, who is he? I said, I'm a musician. I don't know this guy. Then the guy asked me one simple question. Which song he sing? How I want to tell the guy, I said, I. Now I look small doctor, sing your song. Now that was that. And the king mosquito, where? Now the guy asked, you be mosquito come. Now I look like Capella, carry your phone off another comedy. No be him. But this guy, they resemble person. I want to say that this guy we don't make up. Nigerians say, once somebody talks something wrong with it, when I want person for trouble. But when this work now, oh God, I tell her the boss say anytime I like now go come over here. I came here since to 7. You see your show now on the 3rd of September. Today is 4th. So you can't keep me here for 2 days. Come tell me I go perform 10 minutes. No. I decide when I want to go. Like right now, I don't go.